This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Cardwell. Welcome to retirement living in this highly desirable 55-plus community. This 2-bedroom 1-bath 1-carport, 1,065 square feet. Features a freshly painted exterior, block home with an extra long driveway, open floor plan, a large family room, a brand new kitchen, and bathroom. All brand new appliances, with a utility/laundry room. Maintenance fee covers roof, painting of the exterior, cable, internet, lawn service and irrigation. Golf cart use is welcome throughout the community. Mainlands of Tamarack surrounds a public 18-hole golf course and consists primarily of freestanding single-family residences. There is a nearby park that offers picnic pavilions, exercise equipment, walking trails, and a dog park. Centrally located in Pinellas County, close to shopping, restaurants, and easy access to U.S.19, 49th Street, and I-275. This property will not last long. Schedule your showings today. For more information,